Hello everyone, I'm Asi Khairi and this is how to make Android mobile application, and welcome to episode 17. So in this video we're going to use from Typeface in Android, and in this video we're going to set custom fonts on a text view. Create new project. Here is an application and this layout. I've created this layout with two text view. Here are two text view 1 and text view 2, and now in here we need to access those text view to set the typeface. We need to private. Here is a private text view 1 and text view 2. Now in here we need to instantiate them. Div1 is equal to text view and find view by ID, or that's ID dot text view 1. Sorry guys, and tv dot tv2 is equal to text view. Now find view by ID, or dot ID dot text view 2. And now in here we need to create the typeface 1 is equal to, here is a typeface that create from assets, get assets. And now the second part. Okay guys, in here you can change the folder structure of the project in common package and change it to project. Now in here in app, in src, main, and here we need to create a directory. Here is a directory and name it as sets. And now okay, and in here we need these two fonts, and copy the fonts and paste it in here, your fonts. Okay, and now in here font dot ttf. Okay guys, and tv1 that's set typeface. Here is a typeface 1. Okay guys, now it's finished and run the app. Okay guys, this is the app. This is the simple text. This is the simple typeface, hello world, and this is the font that we set to this text view. And now for the text view 2, and then here we need another typeface 2 is equal to typeface dot create from assets and get assets and font2 dot ttf. And now in here text view 2 dot set typeface, or is the typeface 2. And now save the project and run it again. Now okay, here is the custom fonts. Here is the text view 1 with custom font with font 1s, and here is the text view, and here is the text view 2 with this custom font 2. Okay guys, this is how to set a custom font to your text view, and you can set any fonts that you want, and you should have the fonts file. You can set it on a text view, and that's it. Thank you for watching and share the video.